What's up YouTube, it's your boy Junior here, bringing you another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here, guys, I suggest, and I do mean highly suggest, you go ahead and click on the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me guys, you're not going to want to miss out anything we do on this channel because we do great stuff on here. And today's just another great video to do today. Today we're going to be talking about this great product I received today called Fosi Audio Wireless Volume Control Knob. It does exactly what it says. It controls your volume by Bluetooth wirelessly, no wires required except when you're charging the device, which is an awesome little thing if you are into the whole audio thing. Let's say it doesn't just work for like stereo systems or anything like that. It works for your computer too. You can connect it to your computer and control your volume wirelessly if you don't have a wireless controller for your audio on your computer, on your keyboard like I do. This device will work good for it, guys. This is an awesome device. This is what it looks like. Okay, because it's hard to see with the plastic on there, so I'm gonna do it like this. I should be able to see it there good. So that's what the box looks like, and that's what the knob looks like right there. You can control it by the volume. You can play, you can pause, you can fast forward, rewind. And I think that's it really. I mean, there's all the basic audio controlling that you would need through this device, which is, I think, is pretty cool. All right, and if you want to get this, I'll leave a link down below where you can go get it if you're interested. But let's go over this product and see what it looks like and what it offers. All right, so basically, like I said, this is a Fosi, what model number? VOL20. That's the model number right there. Wireless volume control knob. Okay, this, you can play, pause, like I said, previous, next track, fast forward, rewind. You can mute, unmute, volume up and down. It has a little RGB ring around the knob itself. You won't be able to see on the picture, but right here in the middle, towards the bottom, like maybe this quarter of an inch off the bottom, there's like an ambient light going around. You can change that color as well. And it's USB connection when you want to go ahead and charge it, or if you want to use it for your computer, you can connect it by USB. It doesn't have to be Bluetooth, but those are the two options of connections you want, either USB or Bluetooth. Those are your options. So in the front, as you see, it has the knob right here. It says Fosi Audio on the top, the model number there, and it tells you what it is right there. On the sides, there's nothing, it's all blank. On the back, gives you all the description of what it does. A few other information if you're interested in reading it, that's up to you. But let's open this up and see what's inside. So when you first open it up, guys, all right, you get introduced with the user manual right there. We're not gonna need it. If you do need to read it, here it is. It's a pretty lengthy thing here. It's a few pages. It's probably 10, 12 pages. I would say like, yeah, about 10 pages. And it gives you all the information you need right here in all languages. So you all say here, all right? And right inside here, very simple, you get the volume control knob right there, which is pretty cool, I think, in my opinion. It is made by alloy, so it's a steel type thing. So it's a real built. You see how they have it covered properly. Packaging is wonderful. You know me, when I get stuff, I actually give my thoughts on how they package things. This is very well packaged. They have a foam covering around it. So when they ship this to make sure that you guys get it properly secure, which I think is an awesome thing in my personal opinion. So by the box, you would think the knob was bigger, but it's not that big. It's pretty small. Let's take it out and look at it more. It's really secure in there. All right. So I just had to wiggle it out. All right. So there's nothing else. In there. I mean, underneath you'll get the cable that you need. All right. So this is the knob right here. I did get the silver one. It does come in various color. So I got the metallic silver one. And like I said, it is a metal base, so like aluminum. So if you want to control the volume, you just turn the knob here. Want to pause it, unmute it, all that good stuff, you do it from here by pushing down. And then you're all set. To turn it on, you go in the back. Actually, no, you turn it on and off. It's on the bottom right here. I'm going to click it on. Hopefully it's fully charged. Yeah. And as you can see, the ring is blinking. That means it's trying to connect to Bluetooth, but that's a light, and it has different options on there to change it. You will hold the button right on the side and the back I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it right there. Let me bring it up closer. All right, you see it says that Bluetooth symbol and it has a light symbol on there. That's how you control the Bluetooth for connectivity, and that's how you control the ambient lighting on here if you want to change the color. So if I want to change the color here, I just click on this, hold it, and it change color as you see right there. And then if I turn it, it'll change color every time I turn it. It shows whatever color I want to use it. All right, so I'm gonna hold it there for a second. Boom. And if I do it again, it'll change color every time you want to there. So it changes color all to whatever you want. There's multiple options for colors. But right now it's blinking blue because it's trying to connect to the Bluetooth. All right, and then the front here, you have a pause and play button. Let me bring it up closer so you guys can see. All right, you see the play and pause button right there. Okay, there you guys go. I'm trying to get it because of the light. That's a play and pause button. That button also does the controlling for the forward and previous tracks. It's like, you know how you have headsets, well, earbuds or AirPods, and you click on it, it goes to the next one, or I mean, it pauses and plays. But if you double click it, it goes to the next track, and if you triple click it, it goes back. That's exactly what that button does. Just think of it as using one of your earbuds for either Android or Apple. The same concept and the same control wise. The top button is to go ahead and control the volume, guys. Right here, simple as that. So what is this good for? Like I mentioned, you can connect it to your computer. If you don't have a volume control knob on your keyboard like I do, this will be perfect. You put it on the desk. You can connect it by Bluetooth so you don't have to worry about wires. Or you can connect it with USB cable so you never have to worry about the power. It's up to you. How long does this last? I think it said 15 hours with the light on. And of course, longer if you have the light off, completely off. It'll last, I think, 20 hours or 24 hours. I forget how long it does last. And of course, if it's on standby, because it's a smart knob, it knows when to turn off. If it's not in use, it will turn off to save power. So you don't have to worry about constantly turning on and off and stuff like that. It will save the power for yourself. But again, you can always connect it by Bluetooth, by USB plug right here, which takes USB-C. And you never have to worry about the power. But I think it's a cool little knob. It's very well built, and it does everything you need to do for your computer or any audio needs, guys. It's that simple. And as you see, it's pretty small, so it's not going to take up too much space on your desktop or anywhere. So let's say you have a stereo system in your living room, you connect this, and you're in the kitchen, you want to listen to something, but you don't have a controller for it. You don't want to go up and switch the song or anything. You put this on top of your desk or your kitchen countertop if you're cooking, and you turn the volume up and down, or pause it if you gotta pick up a phone call, somebody's calling, or whatever the case may be. This has multiple use, and I think this is a pretty cool device. Again, if you want to get this, I'll leave a link down below where you can get it, and you can enjoy it and get it for yourself. But that's it for today, guys. That's all I have to talk about this nice, wonderful volume control knob. I think it's pretty cool. Now, you might not think so. I might not think so. You might think so. I might think so. Whatever the case may be. In my personal opinion, I like it. One, because of the build quality of it is very sturdy build, and it's a steel knob. It's not a plastic thing and anything. So it feels well built and it has value into it. In my personal opinion, that's just me. Anybody else think differently, but I think this is a very well built knob, and this could be a nice little accessory added to your computer desk. Like I can add it to my computer and make it look nice. It's just aesthetic look you can have it, because it can make it look futuristic on your desktop because of the LED light, it makes it look a little bit more futuristic, and I think it's pretty cool. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you enjoyed the video and everything I had to show you today, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button, because sharing is caring, and we want to make sure that everyone's aware of everything we do on this channel, so they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below. I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And if you still haven't done so to the end of the video, guys, hit the subscribe button, enable bell notifications so you get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.